Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the service cover, battery, and hard disk drive assembly. Removal. Important: make careful note of the position of the hard disk drive bracket on the hard disk drive for later replacement. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the hard disk drive bracket to the hard disk drive. Remove the hard disk drive bracket from the hard disk drive. Place the hard disk drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the hard disk drive from the static dissipative bag and position the hard disk drive so that the side with the label is face up. Place the hard disk drive bracket onto the hard disk drive. Replace the four 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the hard disk drive bracket to the hard disk drive.